If Instagram is crashing or not working on your Android device, the problem could be outdated software, corrupted data, or issues with your device. And here's a straightforward guide to help you fix it. First of all, you have to try restarting your device. Turn off your phone, wait for at least 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Then after, open the Instagram to see if the issue has been resolved. Also update the Instagram application. For that, open Play Store or App Store according to your device, go to the search bar and then type in Instagram. Once you find it, tap on Update if it's available to update it to its latest version. You can also try clearing the Instagram cache and data. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, search for Instagram application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. But clearing the data will also delete your files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Also check for Android system updates. Go to Settings, scroll down and then go to Software Update, click on Download and Install, and if there is any update available, install it to ensure your Android is up to date. Then after, delete unused apps, large files, or unnecessary photos or videos if your storage is low. Go to Settings, search for Storage. After that, go to Recycle Bin and clear it, and also go to App Cache. Then select all items, click on Clear Cache. Again, tap on Clear to confirm. Check the app permissions as well. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, search for Instagram application like we did before. Tap on it and then go to Permissions and ensure that Instagram has all necessary permissions. And do not forget to enable storage, camera, and microphone specifically. You can also try login your Instagram account on a different phone or through a web browser. If it works fine, the problem might be specific to your device. So you can visit the down detector to see if there are any issues with the Instagram servers. And if servers are down, you will need to wait for Instagram to fix the problem. If nothing works, report the problem to the Instagram and get help. So by following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the Instagram keeps stopping issue on your Android device. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.